Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here to show you guys what I am working on, and in the next video I will explain to you guys what it's for. Okay? Now this is something that I'm experimenting with, but this is the first time I've ever done something like this. Trust me. It's not complete yet, but I just want to give y'all an idea of what I am working on. See, here's a flip here, and I got a base here, base there. Here's another flip here. Here's the other flip. I can't get it all on camera, but I'm gonna do the best I can. And here's another flip here. Here's two flips here. Center here, I'm thinking maybe a small pocket with a few tags, but I'm not sure. I know maybe each one will have some sort of tag or journaling card, something. Now, what I'm gonna do is do this. That way it's not popping up that much. And then, whoops, well, can't do it that way. Let's try it this way, that way, and that way. There we go. On the back, I have, well, if I can find which way I did it, I have a pocket right here. And I did my usual where I have the accordion sort of kind of fold here. I'm going to put a tag in here and some other stuff. And maybe add a flip here on the back. I'm not sure yet which way it's going to go. If it's going to go this way, or flip up. But I will let you all know the progress and show you as I go along what I'm doing. Now I'm not going to do a full, maybe I'll do a full-on tutorial of how I'm doing this. But as of right now, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Because like I said, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So we will see. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe to see all the videos that I put up and you don't miss a thing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified of when I put videos up. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, Crafty Angels.